In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. Managing your business finances effectively is crucial, and recording big purchases like a vehicle is an important part of that process. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide to ensure you do it right. First off, you need to navigate to the starting point. Look toward the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface, where you'll find the gear icon. This little symbol is your gateway to settings and options you can tweak, including those for accounts. Once you spot it, give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From this menu, you need to choose Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of how your financial data is organized in QuickBooks. It's a listing of all the accounts used in the company's general ledger, structured to make entries easier. Think of it as the foundation upon which you're going to build this new entry. Once you're in your chart of accounts, look at the top right side of this window for the New Account button. By clicking this button, you're telling QuickBooks that you're creating a new category that will eventually house the financial information for your new vehicle. This is a crucial step because it sets up the framework for entering all details correctly. Next, it's time to fill in the details for this new account. Start by entering the account name. It's a good idea to use something clear and descriptive, like company vehicle, which will make it easy to identify at a glance in future reports or when you need to reference it later. Now, let's talk account types. Since you're dealing with a company vehicle, you're going to select Fixed Asset for the account type. Fixed assets are long-term, tangible pieces of property that a firm owns and uses in its operations to generate income. Think of them as big, necessary items like buildings or, in this case, vehicles that are vital for your business. For the detail type, make sure to choose Vehicle. This categorization helps QuickBooks apply the right rules and treatments to it within your books. Finally, it's time to input the financial details of the purchase. Add the original cost of the vehicle here. This is the price you paid at the purchase, including any related costs such as taxes or delivery fees that you might have incurred. Once you have everything reviewed and entered accurately, go ahead and click Save at the bottom right. And just like that, you've successfully recorded a vehicle purchase. And there you have it. That's all it takes to record a vehicle purchase in QuickBooks Online. This process ensures that your financial statements reflect this important business asset accurately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your business finances just a little bit easier.